Hi guys, today I have the recipe yolk marinade with soy sauce. And just a simple ingredients and it's a few ingredients. It's very good when you eat with the steamed rice. So let's start with our sauce. We use the soy sauce for 10 tablespoons and water 10 tablespoons and the sugar for 4 tablespoons. But today that I will do today is the half of recipe. It's just only 3 ingredients for our sauce. And then bring all the marinade ingredients to a boil over medium-high heat and briefly boil for a minute or 2 minutes until the sugar is dissolved. And then after that we cook completely. And then thinly slice the garlic and also the red chili. Or you can change from the garlic to the onion or chili pepper. And put the garlic and chili in the warm sauce. And the next step, we're gonna separate white egg and yolk egg and put the yolk egg into our marinade sauce. And then we're gonna keep it in the refrigerator for 1 day. And after 1 day, we will see that our yolk egg is more jelly. And then you can simply serve it as a side or main dish with the bowl of the rice. And when you eat, just eat with the rice and add some of the garlic and chili. Or you can add some of the wasabi or also the seafood sauce as you like. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. And if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.